Look at these birds, y'all. Hey, birds. Hold on. Check out these birds. I know I look crazy right this minute. You must make do. Hey, birdies. You want some more bread? Here. Here. That's a big piece. Ooh, you made do, didn't you? Here. Check these birds. They are huge. They know how to make do with them big pieces. When I first got here, I saw these birds and I was like, what in the world? They are as tall as me. Here. Catch. Come back. Alright, I gotta go. You gotta eat on my bread. These are so cool. When I first got here, I was in my bathroom and I heard this loud breathing noise. I thought my house was breathing, but it was these birds honking outside. Wow, check these birds, right close they are. Alright, y'all give me a minute. They're leaving now. Say bye to the birds. Say bye, birds. Bye-bye. Look how close I am to this bird. Isn't that crazy? Hey, bird. The red eyeballs. All right. Bye-bye, birds.